Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I just wanted to thank you for stopping by our channel. We put out videos every Wednesday with the hope of helping you learn how your body's designed to move, and so that you know that you are designed to feel good and be strong. But you don't have to wait till Wednesdays. We also have books that you can read about how wonderful your body is made, and we also offer workshops all over the country and all over the world, really, depending on where you are. We have workshops where we teach you how to move the way your body was designed to move so that you can live the life you want to live. So check us out on originalstrength.net. You can also check us out on Amazon.com if you like to read books. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.